Hi, students and professionals. Welcome back. Another important session. So, what slide says four important transaction codes for either SD or S4 HANA consultants and the end users. Okay, specific. Let's get into the session now. Okay, so what are all those T codes? So, if you look at this VA00, VL00, and VF00 and VT00. It is very simple to remember this. V is common, A is for order, okay, and L is for logistics, and F is for finance, and T is for transport. In this way, you can able to remember these transactions. What exactly these are going to do, okay? So let me go back to S4 HANA, okay? Let me try VA00. Okay, what it says, you can see the transaction level, inquiry, and quotation. So sometimes it's not much difficult if you do practice, but you have a chances to forget. If you are initial person to use the SAP application, either a consultant or end user, such a cases, these for beginners it is quite useful. If you see this back order processing, V underscore REA CO06. Okay, you can able to see this. So like, if you come to the contracts, this is for contract creation, change, and display. So this is the collective place where you can able to get the transactions at your initial order level. Okay, sales order or inquiry or quotation or contract or scheduling agreement. You can able to see this. You might have chances to confuse if you are not get used to it. Like, in your project, suppose scheduling agreements contracts for a few years you are not using, but still you can able to uh, forcibly not required to recollect it. So you just press this transaction will give the guide of all your transactional level transaction relevant for sales orders. Okay. In the similar way, VL00, okay, which is specifically used for logistics. You can able to get all transactions, but especially logistics. If the area is not familiar, it is very difficult to remember. Now you can see this is a VL01N for creation, okay, with and without reference. In the similar way, if something relevant for your warehouse picking, so you can see transfer order creation, okay, LT03, LT0G. So like that, you can able to get all transactions at one place. VL02N, okay, VL069, subsequent functions like for cancellation of your delivery and printing of your delivery documents. So like you can able to explore these transactions, right? So this is one thing. In the similar way, if I go to VF00, okay, so this is related to your billing, rebates, and invoice list, all the transactions. Whereas if you come here, okay, /n, if you go to easy access, it is relevant for all modules. Those V star transaction specifically used for sales, okay, that you would like to get separate. Okay, so based on your sales and distribution module, what you specifically use, you have to go to the different paths like this. On instead of that, this shortcut they can use, you can able to use transaction level. Okay, before going ahead, last transaction for shipping, let's try to understand. So currently I'm having around 3000 students. So this is a course available in sales and distribution, 67 hours and 151 lectures. If you'd like to go ahead and you can subscribe, get some good knowledge over it. And for pricing, exclusive one course is available. In the similar way, S4 HANA FSCM integration, because credit management is got moved, and your SAP S4 HANA simple logistics, and whereas you try to get it, okay, see this I have separated SD business processes around, I said initially 16, it is got added around 17, 18. This is one course and ECC level. In the similar way, you can able to get same kind of the course, your S4 HANA 1909 also. So I have one more course which is actually used for functional spec writing. So those who are beginner, not at introduced to IT industry, they can able to go through this. This is very useful course wherever you get trained on SAP SD. Okay. At the same time, if you have some doubts on credit management, you can try to see this course. Okay. Let's come here. So now the final one, VT00. Okay. So if you like my video, you can say a like or comment, share. I'm not much familiar with YouTube. I'm very quite new to. If you would like to see these kind of videos, you can able to subscribe over here. So what I'm suggesting, you better share. So before that, let me conclude this. What is this VT00? All shipping relevant transactions, your VT01, VT02. This is for your shipment creation. You're aware of that, and this is for mass changes and shipment costs. Okay, VA01, VA02, VA03 in the similar way relevant to output and external systems. Okay, all relevant shipping relevant transactions you can able to get it. I feel that this video is quite useful because so in my research I found this one probably like you can, if you are from SD background or logistics background, you can utilize this opportunity. If you are an end user, then it is always welcome. Like if you are new to SAP system, you can remember these four transactions. With that, it is happy to explore other transactional level group transactions relevant to your sales order, delivery, shipping, and billing. Okay, thank you very much. Have a great time. On my description, I'm just providing the links, my Udemy courses. If you like it, you can able to subscribe. Okay, and you can able to enhance your knowledge. Thank you very much. Have a great time. I wish you all the best.